We thought murals would be a good way to draw people to Martin City. We've been looking at doing more signage in Martin City, and so this is going to kind of be our unique way to provide signage for the city in a way that will get people excited to come down and check it out.
When Vicki reached out and mentioned that we wanted to do a Welcome to Martin City mural, I was just so ecstatic because I really wanted to add some life and color into the building, but also into Martin City. And I thought, what an amazing opportunity this is to have our brides and grooms have an opportunity to take pictures in front of the mural, or a great opportunity for anybody coming through just to see the history of Martin City and really kind of get the full scope of the quaint community that we are. So I was all for it.
This is really nice here because you don't feel like you're in a really big city. It's more of like a small community, and you have your places to eat, and people know people, and everybody's really helpful. And so it's just, I really like to paint in small towns because I'm from one. I remember when I was a kid and going around, and you recognize certain landmarks and certain, whether it's sculpture or mural or even signs, it creates a memory for you. And so that's what a mural does. It's especially one like this, it encapsulates a lot of what the town is about, and people see it all the time, and it just becomes like a landmark for the community.
When we were talking about the mural and really what that would entail, I really didn't know where we were going to land on everything, but I did know that an important part of this mural would be to really depict the history of Martin City. We have always been a train town, and so we really wanted to depict the big train and really showcase the history of Martin City. If you drive down the main strip of Martin City, you'll see beautiful flower baskets during the spring, the summer, and the fall, and they're stunning and they're part of our community. And so we're incorporating those into the mural. Martin City, while having a ton of businesses, also has a lot of prairie land and open landscape, and so we wanted to depict that in the mural as well, and really kind of take all these different components and figure out how can we really showcase Martin City, the history of Martin City, what it is today, but also taking it back the last 100 years and really giving our nod to the history of our community as well.
Final thoughts here is just a big thank you for bringing me here and trusting me to give the community a mural monument that you guys are going to look at for years and years. The mural is painted with really high quality paints with the anti-graffiti coating, so this is going to be here for a long time, looking bright and colorful, a really good representation of Martin City.